Good afternoon, Miss Romelin.
Good afternoon, Miss Marge.
You are finally here. Are you ready?
Yes, I am more than ready.
All right, so now let's start this interview with this question. Tell me something about yourself.
First of all, I would like to thank you for the opportunity for having me. My name is Romalyn Kamagay, and I hold a bachelor's degree in development communication from Isabela State University. I also have a postgraduate certificate in marketing management, professional sales from Lambton College in Toronto, which I am currently pursuing right now. So, over the past several years, I have gained extensive experience in various marketing roles. First, let me start with my career as a document controller at Lulu Group International, where I ensured the accuracy and completeness of project related documents, supporting efficient business operations. And then after that, I transitioned to as a marketing coordinator at Sharaf Group in Dubai, where I organize in store marketing activities coordinated with cross-functional teams and led initiatives to drive sales and brand visibility. So my recent work at UAE was in EN Enterprise IoT and AI as a pre-sales and sales marketing coordinator. So here I managed the company's website and social media presence, executed marketing events, and also coordinated the sales team activities. So from here, I have developed strong skills in digital marketing, event planning, and team coordination. So currently, I am working now as a supervisor at the Crema Cafe, a Jewish coffee shop where I lead a team to deliver exceptional customer service and maintain high service standards and oversee the daily financial operations from the store. So my diverse experience have equipped me with a well-rounded skill set, including active listening, communication, problem solving, and time management. So I'm so passionate about marketing and eager to bring my expertise to your team.
That's impressive. Now, can you tell me about a successful marketing campaign you worked on?
Certainly. So at EN Enterprise IoT and AI, I remember that I spearheaded a campaign to enhance our company's online presence. So we conducted thorough market research and optimized our website for search engines, regularly updating content to increase our user engagement. So I was the one who managed our social media presence, which significantly boosted brand awareness. So the campaign included planning and executing marketing events, trade shows, conferences, and webinars. So, this integrated approach led to a notable increase in our online visibility and user engagement during that time.
Great work. So, how do you stay updated with the latest marketing trends and tools?
To be honest, I regularly read industry blogs and publications like Marketing Land, HubSpot, and Adweek. And in addition to that, I also attend some webinars and conferences whenever possible to keep up with the latest trends nowadays when it comes to marketing. And also, I keep on networking with other professionals through LinkedIn groups, in-person local marketing associations, because I know that being on the latest is very crucial. So I'm also certified in HubSpot inbound sales, if you don't know, which I keep updated to ensure my skills remain current.
That's a good approach. Now, can you describe a time when you had to handle a marketing crisis and how you managed it?
Of course, during my work now, my current job as a supervisor at Crema Cafe, so we encountered different situations where there's a lot of like customer complaints on social media, gaining negative attention for other potential customers. So I lead the team to address the issue promptly by using a public apology or providing a clear explanation why this situation happened. And we also engage directly with concerned customers to address their issues individually. So in order for us to avoid those kind of complaints or situations in the future, and internally, we reviewed and improved our customer service protocols to prevent future incidents. So I'm working closely to our managers to address this kind of issue. So our transparent and proactive approach help us regain the customer trust and even increase the engagement due to our handling of this kind of situation.
Good to hear. How do you measure the success of a marketing campaign?
Um, for me, I set clear and measurable goals before launching any campaign or doing any marketing campaign. So it depends on what kind of campaign we are doing. So what I basically do is I track KPIs such as conversion rates, click-through rates, engagement rates, and ROI using tools like Google Analytics and HubSpot. So when it comes to for offline campaigns, I also analyze the sales data, customer feedback, and awareness. So I do regularly analysis of this kind of matrix, and it allows me to adjust strategies in real time and ensure that we meet our company objectives.
Excellent. Finally, how do you or why do you want to work with us and what do you hope to bring to our team?
Hmm. So the reason why I want to work with you or your team in your company because I have always admired your company's innovative approach to marketing and its commitment to create values for customers. So your recent campaigns that I saw demonstrate a strong understanding of your audience, which aligns with my marketing philosophy. So I'm so excited and eager about this opportunity and I know that I can bring my expertise in digital marketing and leadership to your company. So I believe that I can contribute to driving like growth and helping you achieve your marketing goals in the future if you'll accept me in your company.
Oh, wow. Thank you for your time, Ramelin. But then before I let you go, do you have any questions for me?
Yes, I do have.
Yes, go
Um,
ahead.
yes. So the first thing I want to ask is, can you please describe the team I will be working with and how my role would fit into this team dynamics?
Oh, that's interesting. So, our marketing team consists of a diverse group of professionals, including content creators, digital marketers, graphic designers, and data analysts. You would be working closely with the content and digital marketing teams to develop and execute marketing strategies. So, your role as a marketing coordinator will involve managing campaigns, analyzing performance data, and ensuring seamless communication between team members. This collaborative environment encourages sharing ideas and feedback, helping us achieve our collective goals.
Oh, that's great to hear. I have a few more questions, and
Yes?
I just wanna ask also what are the immediate priorities for the marketing team in the next 3 to 6 months?
Okay. So in the next 3 to 6 months, our immediate priorities include launching a new product line, enhancing our online presence through targeted digital campaigns, and increasing our social engagement. Additionally, we are focused on optimizing our SEO strategies
Mhm.
to improve organic search rankings and developing a series of webinars to educate our audience about our products and services. Your contribution will be crucial in these initiatives, particularly in campaign management and performance analysis.
That's great. That's great to hear. Thank you so much. And if you don't mind, Ms. Marge, can you provide me examples of like the successful marketing campaigns that the company has executed recently?
Sure. So recently, we executed a highly successful digital campaign for our latest software product, which resulted in a 30% increase in lead generation. We utilized a mix of social media advertising, email marketing, and influencer partnerships to reach a broader audience. Another example is our holiday campaign, which included a series of engaging video ads and interactive content that boosted our online sales by 25%. These campaigns were successful due to meticulous planning, creative execution, and data driven optimization. Do you have anything else to ask?
I think that's it. I'm so excited to be part of your team so that I can also contribute to get this kind of like successful marketing campaigns in the future for your company.
Thank you so much, Ms. Ramelin. We will be in touch soon.
Thank you so much. I look forward hearing from you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, Miss March,
All right,
and
have a good day.
you too. Thank you so much, and thank you for having me.